Hi, I'm a wedding and lifestyle photographer. So for the last 2 months, actually, I've been using the BenQ SW2700PT monitor. What I like about the monitor is that it is 99% Adobe Rgb. The last decade, I've been actually using a monitor that allows me to see only sRGB. So having to see the full spectrum of color actually pushes the boundary of my work, especially if you look at my work, you can see that there's a lot of color and details in it. So this is the hotkey puck, which is a very useful tool. I can change from one setting, the original setting, which is Adobe Rgb for 1, sRGB for 2, and 3 for a black and white. You can see that at the press of the button, it will switch to sRGB, and at the press of another button, number 3, it goes to black and white. Okay, what's so good about it is that you can also store your own function. If you have a preset calibrated, if you do your own calibration, for example, there is this hole here that you can fit the calibrator through, and it allows you to calibrate your screen and save to preset into the hardware itself. So most of the monitor actually allows you to set the preset into your laptop, whichever laptop that you're using or computer that you're using. But for this is that it is stored inside the hardware itself. It's called a hardware calibration. Another feature that I like is actually it being a 10-bit display. So between 8-bit and 10-bit, it may not seem to be a lot, but actually if you're editing Sky, I'm sure many of you actually you have this problem of seeing like the sky having bending problems and during retouching when you brighten or darken. So having 10-bit allows you to see the full gamut of the color, especially blending the sky or blending black and white. This monitor offers exceptional performance for its price at about $1,000. What I love most about this is the shading hood, because in the past I have to cut my own black cardboard to shade light from the monitor, but now it comes free, and of course the other small little functions that come along with it. I hope you like the monitor too.